Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. Good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. It's me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video the latest collection of low maintenance hairstyling. Haircut and very attractive eye-catching hair dye. Many much more beautiful ideas in low maintenance you see in this video. I hope you like it. Ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance. Ideas, spiky hairstyle and messy hairstyle. Fine hairstyle and too short wave and small curl hairstyling. Different ideas of cut: pixie haircut, bob haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Layered, deep layered, step, undercut. Attractive ideas of hair dye. Burgundy hair dye, black color, grey color, light brown, dark brown. Highlights and many much more beautiful collection. I hope you like it. So try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. Must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos with your friends, your family members and others. Support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. For all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll be back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.